What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech and welcome to Tech News. NASA achieved new benchmark in developing an innovative propulsion system. It is called Rotating Detonation Rocket Engine, RDRE. NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama successfully tested a new 3D-printed RDRE for 251 seconds, producing more than 5,800 pounds of thrust. They say RDRE is a huge leap in terms of design efficiency as it takes us closer to lightweight propulsion systems, which will allow us to send more mass and payload further into deep space. Reports suggest Google has been working on a new feature which can tell us the smartphone's battery health and when to replace it. In the battery information page in the About section, it will show the manufacture date and the cycle count. System is able to pull this information via the APIs that were introduced with Android 14. So maybe Google will release this feature from Android 15. You might know Nearby Share, which is Android's easy file sharing system. And now reports are saying that Google might change its name to Quick Share. You might find that familiar because Samsung has a file sharing system called Quick Share. Did Google take the inspiration or are they collaborating? We'll find out soon in the Unpacked event of Samsung in January 2024. Poco M6 5G was launched in India and it is dubbed as most affordable 5G phone ever. It comes with Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, 6.74-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, 50 megapixels dual rear camera, MIUI 14 on Android 13, 5000 mAh battery, and 18 watts wired charging. It comes in two colors, Galactic Black and Orient Blue, and it comes in three variants. 4, 6 and 8 GB variants. Now the 4 and 6 GB variants will come with 128 GB storage, whereas the 8 GB variant will come with 256 GB storage. The price is starting from $10,499 and it goes up to $13,499. This will be available exclusively via Flipkart and you can buy this from December 26, 12 PM. That is noon. If you use ICICI credit or debit cards, you can get 1000 rupees cashback. Speaking of 5G phones, Oppo A59 5G was launched in India and they also call it affordable 5G phone. It comes with Dimensity 6020 processor, 6.56-inch IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, 13 megapixel dual rear cameras, ColorOS 13.1 on Android 13, 5000 mAh battery and 33 watts Super VOOC flash charging support. They claim it will give 52% in 30 minutes. It comes in two colors, Silk Gold and Starry Black, and it is available in two variants, 4 and 6 GB, starting at $14,999. You can buy this at Oppo Store, Flipkart, Amazon or other retail outlets. And sale is starting from December 25th. iQoo teased its new watch design. Now this is the look at the design of the new iQoo smartwatch. In the December 27th event, iQoo Neo 9 series will be launched and along with that we might be seeing iQoo Watch. Now this is iQoo's first smartwatch with round AMOLED display and it will run on Vivo's custom built Blue OS. It will come with heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor and more things, and they say the battery will last up to 16 days. That's pretty much it for this video. Do like, share, subscribe, you know what to do. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.